Do you know solar-powered welding generator? It is battery welding generator. No noise, no fumes, no maintenance. Rated output power is 3,500 watts. Support all kinds of electrical appliances. Battery capacity is 5,600 watts-hour. Durability time. Support grid electricity and PV charging. Charging time is about 3 hours. (1,700 watts electric pick demonstration). (2,300 watts cutting machine demonstration). Welding demonstration.